Right then, about a year and a half ago, we purchased, let's be fair, a bit of a shitbox of an Amarok. But over the last 18 months, we've turned this into an absolute off-road beast. And here's how we did it. This is a new Amarok project. We had a look on Copart and came across this Amarok. It's a 2 litre, 6-speed manual with the rear diff lock. It's not in the best of conditions at the minute. What are you laughing at?
Oh my god, that thing is crap.
You know these buttons here?
Yeah.
There's that much crap underneath and you can't even press them. That's bad, that, isn't it? Oh, go steady. Don't break road.
Oh. Wow, I'm not happy having on this.
Look at this, first turn at key.
Oh.
It's disgusting, this though. You feel musky already.
Oh, get me out of
The reserve was 3600. We counter offered at 3300, which got accepted. And then by the time we've got the fees on top and delivery and everything, it's cost us pretty much bang on £4,000.
Oh man. Oh yes, that's it.
Oh,
That's it there.
now look what you've done. This is horrendous.
I am been driven, yeah. It's not my new purchase.
We did an off-road day at Parkwood. We did pretty well to say we just took it on the tyres that it came on. I think they had 3mm tread.
Why? Fella.
There you go.
You know.
One of the worst parts of it is the tub. We've done a few drawings.
Knocked it off in Fusion 360, a little render. We worked out roughly what size bed we're going to do. A-frame round the truck cab.
This is one of the first things we bought for the truck. We went for a tyre that we'd not used before. It's a Nankang Conqueror mud terrain. This is a 315 70 17, which equates to 34.4. 34.4 inch. Crack on with this tub. Check back in later. We have got a lot of parts to fit now. We've got all the underbody protection, diff drop, body lift, the winch mount, the winch, top arms, recovery points, all the suspension for the front lift with the rear shocks. We've just nicked this off the single cab that came from Australia. We're hopefully going to be able to fit that on the back of this and have a rear recovery point. And obviously the front wheels and tyres that we need to fit. Finally done.
Oh, thanks. What? Where's it gone?
Can you get out?
Rob, you know. Are you
Camera on quick.
It's on. Is it on? It's on.
Yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. Steady, steady. That way, steady. That's it, that's it, that's it.
thing we're missing, or two things. Both wing mirrors. So you're heavily reliant on your rear view but all you can see is that and what's gone. Luckily we ain't got any lights on dash, so it doesn't really matter. Whoa! 10 box. Oh no, it's on 10. God, we're getting it for you. No, you're not getting up that.
That's it's a bit close.
Stop.
What a shoveling that?
Amarok front locking diff. The e-locker, this is the same e-locker we fitted in Ryan's V10 Touareg.
That's it, yeah. Sound. Yeah, go on.
That didn't sound good. Not exactly ending where we planned for today's adventure. Amarok's currently towed backwards by a tractor and we're going to have to go back with it. Right, we finally killed it.
So we've got little bits that are not supposed to be in there. It's done a decent job. Loads of little bits hanging around that shouldn't be there.
That's why we ended up in this situation. So valves got a little bit intimate with pistons. On these corner rail engines, if you have a little bit of piston to valve contact, say timing belt snap so it jumps to, sometimes it will just smash the rockers. Make sure you, it'll just smash these to bits and you'll get away with it. Unfortunately for us, it smashed the rockers and we didn't get away with it. The bore for this lifter is damaged and you can't get another lifter back in it. So this head's pretty much scrapped. We've got a ported head. We just happen to have a ported head kicking about the big valves, which it'd be rude not to. We've got a set of weight matched pistons. Obviously we've got a full set weight matched ceramic coated valve cutouts so we can stick cams and big valves in it. Key things we wanted to try on here that we've not done before are the hybrid turbos. We're going to stick a CP3 pump on it. Fuel rail pressure sensor, we've got a little upgrade for that. Set of ARPs, so head studs, oil cooler, intercooler hoses and intake pipe. We're going to make custom silicons for these. Other thing we want to look at is a radiator upgrade again for cooling. What we're doing is we're going to build the 2 litre, try and achieve that power and torque figure which is comparable to a standard V6. Yeah.
As you can see, it is still dead. There is still no engine. Behind me, I've got lots of parts all laid out that's going to be used to rebuild it. Anyway, rather than waffle on, I'm just going to let Luke crack on with the engine build. We'll time lapse it all. So sit back, relax, enjoy the time lapse. Finally, the Amarok is pretty much done. Obviously by now you've probably already seen the first start up. We've got the bumper on there, that's all fully secure. We've got the winch on there, that's all working. You're probably wondering why we've got the original wheels and tyres that came with the car on there, and that's because we reckon that like the 34-inch mud tyres are just going to sap all the power on the dyno, so it's not really going to give us an accurate power figure. So we put those on there, the standard all-terrains, that should give us a more accurate reading. If you missed the last video, we basically did a full strip down of the 2-litre TDI that come in this. Not only have we rebuilt it, but we've upgraded it along the way. So it has now got a custom hybrid turbo on there, a CP3 fuel pump, we've got race cams, pistons, a little bit of a parts bin car. So we managed to find quite a lot of parts that we had laying around on different shelves, but we've put them to good use and rebuilt this engine. It's also got a uni-clutch in there. We're hoping, because of the increased power and torque and the amount of abuse this gets, we're hoping that the uni-clutch in there is going to be more than enough for that. So with a fully, freshly rebuilt engine, all the upgrades, that is the reason why we are in the dyno today, to find out what power our Amarok is going to do. So let's have a look what it's done now. So as you guys will have just seen, the last part of this video, it did 238.5. Just by increasing the rail pressure and tweaking a few maps, we've managed to get over 250 horsepower mark. So 251.8, a little bit more torque. We're now just a smidge over 380 foot-pound. But yeah, other than the increase, it's a nice graph, nice improvement all the way across the rev range. So we can't complain with that.
Absolute legend. Because I'm stuck. Go on, lad. Come on, pull me, Bobby. Here he goes. Come on. What a legend. He got me out, did lad. Yes!
Can't stall it in water. Go on, go on, go on. So, hopefully you've liked this build video. It's still a little bit rough around the edges, but to be fair, there's not much point as tightening it up because it's still going to get abused. So, if you want to watch more videos of our Amarok, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel.